In this video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook page quality so you can see if your page has any issues or restrictions. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, tap Pages and select the page you manage. Once your page opens, look for the Professional dashboard and tap on it. Inside the dashboard, scroll until you find the option called Page Quality and tap on it. This section shows the status of your page and lets you know if any of your posts have violated Facebook's community guidelines. If there are no issues, you'll see a message that your page has no restrictions. If there are problems, Facebook will show which posts or actions caused the issue and what steps you can take next. You may also have the option to request a review if you believe a decision was made by mistake. Checking your page quality regularly helps you avoid restrictions and keep your page in good standing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.